Sir, now I'm just going to show you design. This one you can see one design here in Korakota rate also here. Don't worry about that. These all are for wholesale purpose only, for export quality. You can see third one design like this will become fourth one design. Whatever the design you want, we can do. I'm just showing you sample. See. Other one, this is the good design, rate also have good. See this one design, another one, other one design you can see like this type of pattern will become. This is for export quality. No, this one design you can select this one like that, or only this like that. It's up to you. This one design you can use in multiple purpose in many where. Other one you can see this one design also have looking good. This one also design, it's a called butti, small butti motif. You can see the motif. You can use this kind of motif. ये उल्टा है क्या, सीधा ही है?
सीधा है.
You can see
शाइनिंग वाली जोड़ी है.
This one motif also है. I am just showing you to understand only. See, you can see the quality. Other one motif you can use in shirt, you can use in sleeve. According to you, you can create the design with this. This is the big size. As per your photograph, I just select the design and trying to share you. See. Now like this. This called Hakoba design. Currently 2 design ongoing. And this you can do the embroidery, you can do the print. This is the leafy pattern, floral pattern, mirror work. So with this you can create the garment. Generally people are taking like this type of fabric for export and domestic both. You can see for men's, women's, both purpose you can use this design. See, like this. Another one in 3D quality you can see. I'm just going to zoom. If you don't want a mirror, you can remove. If you want instead of mirror sequence or thread only, we can do. See the quality, like this type of quality here. If you want, I can give you. This is the best quality for your creation. The big size butta you can see here, right? See, this type of butta will become. This type of butta will become. All are premium quality with a unique design, and this is the universal design. You can use anytime, for any occasion, for any fabric, for any creation. You can make the fusion also. You can select this butta. See, this is the big butta. You can use. This is the teal green butta. You can see. You can use this one also, like bagua color. Also, people are saying orange color, light bit. So you can use this type of flower for your creation. It will be look good, I think. This is the purple color thread work. You can remove the design also. No need to take whole design. If you like this type of flower only, you can take. If you want this type of stem with the leaf, you can take. For reference purpose, just show it. Another one, this one design. You can reduce the size, you can increase the size according to your creation. you can do whatever color you want, we can do. This is the normal for fancy purpose only, thread work. But if you want to do like a black, gray, dark gray, navy blue, so we can do. See, I'm just trying to show you. See, this is the design. You can use it for neck, for sleeve, for shirts, like for kurti. Everyone cannot buy like this type of design because this is the premium design, no sir. See, quality, finishing, everything is premium. We are not doing like a normal work. So you can see design and everything. Got it? This is the design. You can use sometimes this one design only, or this according to your creation. You can select the design. This is the not big deal. And you can also customize the design. This is the for reference purpose only, so you can understand the quality. And if you want to change design, if you want to as per your design, you can take. Like this can be used multi-purpose. This can be used multi-purpose. This can be used multi-purpose. And this one, other one design have.